Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix we cannot install the required dependency for the Valorant. So how you can fix this issue. So to fix this, the first thing is just go to the settings of your Windows, and once you're in the settings, so just make sure to go to this sections called apps or in the applications, and from here just go to install applications, and from here just find the application called Valorant and make sure to uninstall it. Let's say this is my application called Valorant, so just right click and you will be able to see this option called uninstall. So uninstall or remove this application, restart your PC or laptop and reinstall the application as well. So once you restart, hopefully your issue will be fixed. And if not, so what you can do is just go to the search section, and from here just click on services and open this section called services. And once you're in this section called services, just click on any of this option, and from here just search for VGC. Like, I have not installed the Valorant app, so I will not be able to see it, but you will be able to see this setting called VGC. So let's say that this is my VGC setting, so just right click on it, and from here just click on properties, and after that just make sure that startup type is selected to automatic. So make sure to turn it back to automatic, and once you have set to automatic, just click on apply, okay, and after that hopefully your issue will be solved and you will be able to play Valorant on your PC or laptop. So that is a simple and easy process.